Hello guys, welcome back. I know it is a long gap back between the two videos. Sorry for that. Some work is needed to be completed. Okay. So before starting, I have already explained you that what is it Python, why we choose Python, and later that I have also told you about the platform Replit.com. Yeah, where we do programming. Today we are going to discuss about it more. We will see some sort of features of Replit. Okay, some more features. We will do something more on print command and what the common mistakes students do while writing the print command. Not only print command, any command. We will just see that. Okay. So without wasting any sort of time, let's jump up to the replit.com. Okay. So here we go. I have already opened my tab. I have already told you how to open your sign up your account and write and code. Um, in first video only, there I have already created my profiles. Okay, I will go directly to the profile. Okay, it will take some sort of time due to the internet issues, but it will work out clearly in no time. Okay, so clearly, it is a console where the output will be shown. Yeah, it is an input command where we will insert our input. Okay, so before doing that, let me refresh the website. Okay, okay, so you can clearly see that there are two options for in the file section. That is one of creating the new file, and the second is about creating a new folder. Okay, so we will try it out. So first we will create some new file, some sort of what is the name I can give. I will give Vidhan dot py. Okay, I will save this file. Okay, and now I will show you how to create a folder. It is simple. Just I am showing you how the things work out. Okay, I will name it as an folder one. Okay, I will save it. Okay, that folder is created. Now what we can do? We can do this. We can insert this file just by drag and drop option. We can insert this file in this folder one. Okay, see, I have inserted folder file in folder one. Okay, you can clearly see that folder one contains the file with one. Okay, suppose this main.py file I have to drop in folder one. I will drag it and I will drop it. If I have to take fetch out the file from this folder, I will simply drag and drop. I will drag it from folder one and I will drop it outside. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. I will drop it outside. So now the main.py file has come out of the folder one. Okay. So why what this is why this is a helpful feature. Okay, it is helpful because when you try to do some numerous numbers of programming and you have created the numbers of files. Okay, suppose you are doing the job of 20 LPA package and the manager asks you to do programming of some sort of 20 programs and you have to create some 20 to 25 files. At that time you must have to be organized. For that you have to create a folder. In specific folder the specific files need to be there. Okay, so for that organizing matter, you should know the feature. Okay, this is not a feature only present in Replit. Other platforms also does, but as I am teaching you on Replit, I will tell you about Replit only. Okay, okay, so we can see there are more tools. Wait a minute. We can clearly see there are more tools there: ghostwriter, deployments, chart, debugger, extensions, packages, settings, threads. Okay, but we will just focus upon settings. Okay, in the settings, in the layout there are two types of layout. See, default layout. By default the layout is side by side, and we can change it to the stack. So what is the meaning of stack? I will show you. Okay, I will demonstrate you. As soon as I reset the layout as stack, the input command will be inputted in the upper section and the output will be get in the downward section. Simply, we exchange the size and the format of the page or our terminal. Okay, first because before that the main.py has section containing the section left hand side and the console containing the section right hand side. But after resetting the resetting the layout, we can clearly see that it has come upside down. Okay, we will change it. Okay, because it is more easier side by side layout. Okay, see, side by side layout. Okay, it is clearly visible how it works. Okay, now you can clearly, there are more options here. Okay, we will just try to change the theme. This light thing, it is not good for me because I like the dark theme only. So here we go up to dark. Okay, then after that we can there is more features here. We can also change the size of the font. Okay, the main feature that looks interesting is and code intelligence. So what is the code intelligence? Just wait a minute. I will disable it and I will write here print command. Okay. Just remove this. See, I'm writing the print command. There is no hints coming on, or now no information for the syntax is coming on my screen. Okay. But as soon as I enable this option, you can clearly see that when I right now when I write print command. Okay. See, I will clearly see an options. Okay. It will suggest me. It will hint me. Wait a minute. Yeah. Hint. It will hint me. Yeah. See, there are various other options. We will go in deep in that in upcoming videos. Just see. We can here clearly see what is the meaning of print and how it is and use and how the syntax works and all and all. We can clearly. It is hinting us. Its intelligence created some sort of help for us. Okay. That's why it is more important for code intelligence. Many pro players in programming do not enable that because they don't like it. Okay. Okay, for you are the new, you should enable this. Okay, you will know what is we are doing here, and you will clearly see what the print command actually means. Okay, uh, I know you are not understanding whatever it is written, but in upcoming video you will surely understand. Okay, so okay, these are the some features of Replit.com. Okay, so now let's try to write some print commands. Okay, some miserable print commands. Okay, wait a minute. Suppose while writing print command, I have some curious questions in my mind. Is it necessary to write only one string at a time or one text at a time? Why cannot I write hello world and hello India at the same time in same print command? Okay, just we will try it. Okay, we will try it simply. Wait a minute. Hello India. Okay, and hello world. Okay, I will run the program. Yeah, it's running. It's taking time. The output will be here in no time. Okay, just ignore that. See, output is here. Hello India and hello world. Okay, so what I mean to say that we can insert two text, two strings at the same time. Okay, just by inserting comma between them. Okay, just have a note that we have inserted one comma and we have closed one text or string in one inverted comma only. Okay, here I use two inverted comma. You can also use single inverted comma. Okay, it's your choice. So it is a print command. We can we have seen that we can print the two text or three text at a same print command. Okay, we don't have to use at a time for only one string. So next question arises in my mind, is this thing, this print command, can it print numerical data, or it only print the text or the strings? We will see that. Okay, the questions that come in our mind, just go for it. Okay, don't hesitate in class also and your life also. Okay, otherwise you will regret it later. Okay, uh, okay, so I will put suppose I have put 10. Okay, I don't have to put inverted comma also. I will tell you when I will talk about syntax of print command. Okay? So I can clearly see output will be there in no time. So you can clearly see at the right hand side there will be 10 printed. Okay, so it shows that it can print numerical data also. As it can print numerical data, maybe it can print float data also. What mean by float? Float mean point, fractional data. We will try it. Okay, don't worry. I will type print 20.5. Okay, I'll print this data. The output will be hello India, hello world, 10, 20.5. Okay, this will be the output. So we can clearly see that it can print two texts at a time, two strings at a time. It can print numerical also. It can print float data also. But my questions arises again: can it print it together? Can we print all text string, numerical data, and float data at the same time? Just try it. Yeah. Whenever the question arises, now just try it. Don't hesitate. Okay, you have one life. You need to enjoy it. Okay, don't hesitate in anything in your future. Okay, I will just separate it by comma. Just notice that I have separate each string or each numerical that I have to print separately by comma, so it can we can print it. This is the syntax for the print command. Okay, I will come across what is actually mean by syntax. You can clearly see we can print hello India 10 20.5 together. Okay, so our project runs successful. So let's move to the second part of the today's video. That is a common mistake we do when while writing the print command. Okay, the first mistake the most students do that they do the spelling mistake of print. Okay, some of them write print, some sort of some spelling mistake in writing print. Okay, So this is a basic mistake that most of the students do. The second mistake students do, it is necessary to use brackets. That is only the this close brackets. Okay, this circular close brackets. Why don't we can use square brackets? Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try it. It is very funny to try it. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, let's try. I will say print 10. Okay. Um, will it be print? I have given you some sort of second. Just have your answer in your mind. We will get here. Okay. Nah, no, we cannot print. The error has been arrived here. So let's use some curly brackets. Okay. So here we go again. Let's fast, fast. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Yeah. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? If you have your answer in your mind and it is right, you have scored your, you have done your engineering right. Okay. So I have written the print command. It is clearly shown that we cannot use any of the bracket that we wish. We can only use the closed circular brackets. That is this. Okay. This is the common mistake students do. Okay. They use the different brackets. I don't know why. Because they are like curious like me. They try to use it, but sometimes it fails. Don't write it in a theory exams and go to the professor or the teacher and say that, sir, I have written the brackets only. Yeah. Please give me the marks. I'm passing with only one. I'm failing with only 1 mark. But they do not give, they do give. But if you are the chocolate student, okay, what I mean by chocolate student, you better understand it. Okay. So let jump up to the third mistake that student commonly do, that is the inverted comma. Yeah, many student confuses between that we should use single inverted comma or double inverted comma. I have already given examples on double inverted comma. Let's take an example from single inverted comma. I will write here, okay. So I'm going to print it again. Okay. So what will happen if I use only single inverted comma? Will the answer comes? Maybe. Yeah, it comes. It means it shows that we can use any inverted comma while it will single or double. Double. The only thing you should do that whenever you use single inverted comma, close it with only single inverted comma. But if I use single inverted comma and I here close it with double inverted comma, then it is a foul. Okay, it is a big foul. The manager will be fired you out. Okay, from your office. Okay. So that's all. That's I want to talk to you. I'm making the short videos. Okay, why I'm making the short video? Because some of the students get panic when they see the long duration of video. It is a 10 minute, it is a 20 minutes video. Why? Who's gonna see it? Okay, who's gonna waste his time or his or her time? Okay, that's the point. Okay, that's why I'm making short video and the specific video. I'm not wasting your time. I'm not wasting my time. I'm just have a request to follow the channel or to subscribe the channel. To share with your friends. You can have that. You can share with your on your story of Instagram profile if you like it. Okay. You can DM me. I will write my Instagram profile URL ID in description only. Okay. You can URL me. You can connect on me with on LinkedIn. I have also account on Twitter. Kids up, but I am not. I am not mentioning it right now. Okay. When the time comes, I will mention it. Okay. So these are this only this type of this sort of topic I have to explain in today's video. Today I am uploading 3 videos at a time. Okay. Because after some sort of days I am going for trip. So there will be no videos for continuously 3 to 4 days. For that purpose, I am uploading 3 to 2 videos continuously in 2 to 3 days. Okay. So happy learning and stay updated. Okay. I'm closing this.